Hello everyone, in this video we will learn class 10 trigonometry exercise 1. Problem 1. In triangle ABC, right angle FB. AB equals to 24 centimeters, BC equals to 7 centimeters. Determine sin A, cos A. Second one, sin C, cos C. See the concept. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. So A, B, C. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Okay. So AB equals to 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. BC is 7 centimeters. Okay. Determine sin A and cos A. Okay. Sin A means what? Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. So side opposite to A. Side opposite to A is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. We don't know the value of AC. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem, first find the value of AC. See. Given AB equals to 24 centimeters. BC equals to 7 centimeters. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem from triangle ABC. Using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that means AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. AC value, we don't know the value of AC. AC square equals to AB value 24 square plus BC value 7 square. So 24 square value 576. So 7 square value 49. So AC square equals to 576 plus 49. So AC square equals to 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 balance. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. See once this is wrong. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 balance. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 balance. 1 plus 6 is 1 plus 5 is 6. So AC square equal to 625. AC equals to square root of 625. That equals to square root of 625 value how much? 25. So the value of AC is 25. Now first one, sin A. Sin A means what? Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. Side opposite to A is AB. Sorry, BC. Side opposite to A is BC. By hypotenuse is AC. So BC value how much? 7. AC value 25. Next, cos A. Cos A means side adjacent to A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to A is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB value 24 by 25. AC value is 25. Okay. Second one, sin C. Sin C means what? Side opposite to C by hypotenuse. What is the side opposite to C? AB. Sin C equals to side opposite to C by hypotenuse. Side opposite to C is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB value how much? 24. AC value 25. Next, cos C. Cos C means side adjacent to C. This is the opposite. Hypotenuse remaining side is adjacent. Side adjacent to C. By hypotenuse. Side adjacent to C is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. That means hypotenuse is AC. So AC. BC value how much? 7. BC value 7. Hypotenuse AC value 25. Problem 2. In figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. Okay. What is the formula of tan P? Side opposite to P over side adjacent to P. Side opposite to P is QR. We don't know the value of QR. First find the value of QR by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, right. First write given. What is given? So given PQ equals to 12 centimeters PR equals to 13 centimeters. Okay. In triangle PQR, where is right angle? Angle Q is right angle. So angle Q equals to 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. The hypotenuse is QR because right angle opposite is called the hypotenuse. So PR equals to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. Okay. That equals to PR value 13 square equals to PQ value 12 plus QR square. 13 square value 169 equals to 12 square value 144 plus QR square. Okay. So 169, 44 transpose to left side minus 144. 144 transpose to left side minus 144 equals to QR. So 169 minus 144 is 25 equals to QR. Square transpose to left side square root 25 equals to QR. So square root of Q 25 is 5 equals to QR. Therefore the value of QR is 5 centimeters. Now we will find tan P minus cot R. See, tan P minus cot R. Tan P formula. What is the tan P formula? Side opposite to P. Side opposite to P by side adjacent to P. Side adjacent to P minus cot R means side adjacent to R minus side opposite to R. Okay, side adjacent to R by side opposite to R. Side adjacent to R by side opposite to R. Okay, side opposite to P. What is side opposite to P? QR. Okay, adjacent is PQ minus side adjacent to R is QR by opposite is PQ. That equals to QR value 5, PQ value 12. Here also QR value 5, PQ value 12. Okay. So now see 12 is the LCM. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 by 12. 0 by 12 is 0. So the value of tan P minus cot R is 0. See the problem number 3. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. Okay. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. Let us take a triangle. Using right angle triangle only. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. So here this is A, B, C. So say right angle, B angle B. Okay. See, sin A equals to 3 by 4. See the solution. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. Sin means what? Side opposite to A. Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. Therefore, opposite is to hypotenuse equals to 3:4. Opposite to hypotenuse equals to 3:4. Now opposite side equals to some 3k where k is a constant. Hypotenuse equals to 4k where k is a constant. Okay. See, now opposite is 3k. Opposite is 3k. This is 3k. Hypotenuse is 4k. Hypotenuse is 4k. Now we will find cos A and tan A. Cos A means what? Side adjacent to A. Side adjacent to A is nothing but AB. We don't know the value of AB. So using Pythagoras theorem, first find the value of AB. Okay. See, from triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is AC. Right angle opposite is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Here AC value 4k. 4k whole square equals to AB value I don't know. First we will find AB only plus BC. BC is 3k whole square. So 4 square value 16. K square equals to AB square plus 3 square 9 k square. So 16k square, 9k square transpose left side, minus 9k square equals to ab square. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 7k square equals to ab square. So square transpose right side, square root. 7k square equals to ab. Therefore ab equals to square root of 7. Square root of k square value k. Square root of k square value k. So this is the value root 7 times k. Okay. Now we will find cos a and tan a. Okay. Cos a. Cos a means what? Side adjacent to a. Adjacent to a by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to a is AB. AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB value how much? Root k. Root 7k. By hypotenuse is 4k. So k get cancelled. Root 7 by 4. Next. Tan A. Tan A means side opposite to A. Side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. Side opposite to A is BC. Side adjacent to A is AB. BC value how much? 3k. AB value root 7 times k. Now k get cancelled. 3 by root 7. Problem 4. Given 15 cot A equals to 8, find sin A and cosecant A. See, 15 cot A equals to 8. Okay, 15 cot A equals to 8. So now we will find sin A and cosecant A. So 15 cot A equal to 8 means cot A equals to how much? Cot A equals to 8. 15 transpose to right side divided by 15. So cot A equals to 8 over 15. Okay. So cot A definition, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. See, draw a right angle triangle. So ABC. So angle B is right angle. So cot A equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. So here that means adjacent is to opposite equals to 8 is to 15. Therefore adjacent equals to 8k, opposite equals to 15k, where k is a constant. So this is the value 8k. So this is 15k. Okay, now we will find sin A and cosecant A. Sin A means what? Side opposite to A. Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. We don't know the value of hypotenuse. First find the value of hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. From triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, see, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. Here what is hypotenuse? AC. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Here we don't know the value of AC, but AB value is 8k whole square. BC value is 15k square. 8 square equals to 64. 8 square equals 64 k square. 15 square value is 225 k square. So 64 k square plus 225 k square is 200 and 5 plus 4 is 9. 289 k square. That is AC square. AC equals to square root of 289 k square. So square root of 289 is 17. Square root of k square is k. Therefore AC equals to 17k. AC equals to 17k. This is the value 17k. Okay. Now we will find sin A. What is sin A? Sin A means what? Opposite to A over hypotenuse. So what is opposite to A? A opposite is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC value 15k. Hypotenuse is 17k. So k get cancelled. 15 by 17. Next, cosecant A. Cosecant A equals to side hypotenuse by cosecant A equals to hypotenuse by cosecant A equals to hypotenuse by side opposite to A. So hypotenuse value how much? AC. Hypotenuse value AC. Side opposite to A is BC. So AC value 17K, BC value 15K. So K get cancelled. So 17 over 15. Problem 5. Given secant theta equals to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Okay. Secant theta equals to 13 by 12. See the solution. Secant theta equals to 13 over 12. So secant theta equals to 13 over 12. So secant means what? Hypotenuse by side adjacent to theta. Side adjacent to theta. So hypotenuse is to adjacent equals to 12 is 13 is to 12. Therefore hypotenuse equals to 13K, adjacent equals to 12K, where K is a constant. Now see the now we will find all trigonometric ratios, that means sine, cos, tan. See, already secant is there, cosecant, cot. Okay. Draw a triangle. Right angle triangle. This is the value theta. A, B, C. Angle B is right angle. Okay. So hypotenuse is 13K. Adjacent is 12K. Using this triangle, find the value of AB. That means opposite side. Okay. So from triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Here AC value 13K. Whole square equals to AB value, we don't know, AB square plus BC value 12K square. 13 square value 169, K square equals to AB square plus 12 square value 144, K square. So 169 K square, 144 transpose left side minus 144 K square equals to AB square. So 169 minus 144 is 25 K square equals to AB square. So square transpose right side square root of 25 K square equals to AB. Therefore AB equals to square root of 25 value 5, square root of K square value K. So AB equals to 5K. So the value of AB is 5K. This is the value 5K. Now we will find all trigonometric ratios. First one is sin theta. Sin theta means side opposite to theta. This is opposite. Okay. Hypotenuse. Remaining is adjacent. Side opposite to theta over hypotenuse. Side opposite to theta is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AB value 5K, AC value 13K. So K get cancelled, 5 by 13. Okay. Next, second trigonometric ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent to theta is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC value how much? 12K. AC value 13K. So K get cancelled, 12 by 13. Okay. Next, tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. Opposite to theta how much? 5K. Adjacent to theta is 12K. So K get cancelled, 5 by 12. Next, cot theta. Cot theta equals to adjacent to theta by opposite to theta. Adjacent to theta is BC, that is 12K. Opposite to theta is 5K. So K get cancelled, 12 by 5. Next, here already secant theta is there. 13 by 12. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equals to hypotenuse by side opposite to theta. Hypotenuse value how much? 13K. Side opposite to theta is 5K. So K get cancelled, 13 by 5. Problem 6. If angle A, angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A equals to angle B. Okay. See, if angle A and angle B are acute angles, so draw a triangle. So angle A and angle B are acute angles means less than 90. So right angle remaining two angles sum is 90. So A, B, C. Okay. Angle C is 90, angle A and angle B are acute angles. Okay. See, given cos A equals to cos B. Cos A equals to cos B. What is the cos A definition? Cos A definition is side adjacent to A over hypotenuse. Cos A definition is side adjacent to A by hypotenuse. Cos B is side adjacent to B by hypotenuse. Here, what is side adjacent to A? Side adjacent, this is opposite. BC is opposite, adjacent is AC. AC by hypotenuse is AB. Equals to adjacent to B. Side adjacent to B is BC. Hypotenuse is AB. Okay, now AB get cancelled. AB cancelled. So AC equals to BC. AC equals to BC. So these two sides are equal. Okay. In triangle ABC, AC equals to BC. Okay. In triangle means AC equal to BC. Okay. Two sides are equal. So opposite angles are also equal. That means what is the type of triangle? This one, two sides are equal means what is the type of triangle? Therefore triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal. See, now what is the angle opposite to AC? Side opposite to AC. See, side opposite to AC is angle B. Side opposite to AC is angle B. Next, side opposite to BC. See, BC. Side opposite to BC is angle A. So, therefore, angle A equals to angle B. Problem 7. Cot theta equals to 7 by 8. Evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And the second one is cot square theta. Okay. See the solution. First, given cot theta equals to 7 by 8. Cot theta equals to 7 by 8. Okay. So cos theta equal to 7 by 8. Cos theta definition is side adjacent to theta by side opposite to theta. Okay. That means adjacent is to opposite equals to 7 is to 8. Therefore, adjacent theta equals to 7k, opposite theta equals to 8k. So k is the constant. Okay. See, draw a right angle triangle. This is the value of theta. Okay, adjacent is 7k, opposite is 8k. Okay, say it is ABC. So angle B is right angle. So first, using this data by Pythagoras theorem, first find the value of AC. Okay, from the triangle ABC, from the triangle ABC. Okay, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem statement. Hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. Here AB is 8k whole square, BC is 7k whole square. 8 square 64k square, 7 square 49k square. So 64 plus 49, so 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, 113k square. What is this? AC square. So AC equals to square root of 113k square. That is AC equals to square root of 113. Square root of k square value k. So the value of AC is square root of 113k. Okay, now here two types of values are there. One is sin theta, another one is cos theta. First, sin theta. What is the definition of sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite is theta opposite is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AC value how much? Square root of 113k. Okay, AC value. So that is AB value. AB value 8k. 8k by square root of 113k. So k get cancelled. 8 by square root of 113. Next, cos theta. Cos theta value, cos theta formula, side adjacent to theta. Side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. So side adjacent to theta is 7k. That means BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. BC value how much? 7k. Hypotenuse is AC, that is square root of 113k. Here also k get cancelled. 7 over square root of 113. Okay. Now the first problem, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. See the first one. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. That equals to 1 plus sin theta value how much? 8 by square root of 113. 1 minus sin theta value 8 by square root of 113 by, see, 1 plus cos theta value how much? 7 by square root of 113. 7 by square root of 113 into 1 minus cos theta, 7 by square root of 113. Okay. See once, what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. See, this is how the form a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. 1 square minus 8 by 13 whole square by denominator also same formula a plus b into a minus b. So 1 square minus 7 by square root of 113 square. Okay. Now see, 1 square 1 minus 8 square 64 by square root of 113 square. So square root cancel 113 by divided by 1 square 1 minus 7 square 49 by square root of 113 square is nothing but 113. 113 times of 1 is 113 minus 64 by 113 divided by 113 into 1 is 113 minus 49 by 113. Okay. Now here 113 get cancelled. So 113 minus 64 is 49. 49 by 113 minus 49 is 64. So the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is 49 by 64. Okay, second problem. What is second? Cot square theta. Cot square theta. So what is cot theta? Given cot theta equals to 7 by 8. 7 by 8 whole square. So 7 square by 8 square. 7 square by 8 square. 7 square value 49. 49 by 8 square value. 8 square value is 64. So both, I think these both values are same. That means cot square theta equals to 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. But here it is not asking. So only the values, I find the values of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Its value is 49 by 64. And another one is cot square theta. This is the value also 49 by 64. See the problem number 8. If cot A equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay, if cot 3 cot A equal 4, then we will check is it correct or not. LHS equal to RHS is correct or not. So first, what is given? See the solution. What is given? Given 3 cot A equals to 4. So cot A equals to 4 by 3. Cot A equals to 4 by 3. So cot A equals to, what is the cot A definition? Cot A definition, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. So adjacent is to opposite equals to 4 is to 3. Therefore adjacent equals to, this is the ratio, 4k opposite equals to 3k, where k is the constant. So draw a triangle. So ABC, angle B is right angle. So adjacent is 4k, opposite is 3k. Okay. From triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB value how much? 4k. 4k whole square plus BC value 3k. Okay. 4k whole square is nothing but 4 square value is 16k square. 3 square value 9k square. What is this AC square? AC square equals to 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square. So AC equals to how much? Square root of 25k square. Square root of 25 value 5. Square root of k square value, square root of k square value k. Okay. This is the value of AC. No? So AC is how much? 5k. Okay. Now we will prove that LHS is equal to RHS or not. So for LHS, what is LHS here? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus tan A definition is side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. Side opposite to A is BC. Side adjacent to A is AB square whole square by 1 plus A. Side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. BC by AB whole square. That equals to 1 minus BC value how much? 3k. BC value 3k. 3k by AB value 4k square by 1 plus 3k by 4k whole square. That equals to 1 minus 3 square 9k square by 4 square 16k square or 1 plus 3 square k square. So 9k square by 16k square. See now 16k square into 1 is 16k square minus 9k square by 16k square. In the denominator, here 16k square is there. 16k square into 1 is 16k square plus 9k square. Okay. That equals to 16k square plus 9k square is 7k square by, so here 16k square cancel. 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square. Now k square get cancelled. K square cancel. So final answer is 7 by 25. This is LHS. Now find the value of RHS. RHS. So this is LHS. So what is RHS? Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A. Cos A is nothing but side adjacent to A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to A is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Square minus sin A. Side opposite to A by hypotenuse. Side opposite to A is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. Square. So AB value how much? AB value is 4k. BC value is 5k square minus AC value is 5k. Next BC value 3k by 5k whole square. So 4 square 16k square by 25k square minus 9k square by 25k square. Here 25k square is LCM. So 16k square minus 9k square. 16k square minus 9k square is how much? 7k square by 25k square. So k square get cancelled. 7 by 25. Okay. See the LHS part 7 by 25. RHS part 7 by 25. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. LHS value 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to RHS value how much? Cos square A minus sin square A. Problem 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. Tan A equals to 1 by square root of 3. Find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and the second one is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay. See, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. See, triangle ABC, right angle at B. So B is the right angle, ABC. Okay. So tan A is given. What is the value of tan A? Tan A equals to 1 over root 3. So tan A formula side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. So that means see, opposite is to adjacent equals to 1 is to root 3. So opposite equals to 1 into k, adjacent equals to root 3 into k. So where k is a constant. Okay. Now this is k root 3k. Okay. First we will find the value of AC using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. In triangle ABC, see this one. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse here? Right angle opposite is hypotenuse. Huh? Here right angle opposite is AC. AC square, hypotenuse square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB value square root of 3k whole square, BC value k square. So square root of 3, square is nothing but 3, k square plus k square, that is 4k square. AC square equals to 4k square. So AC equals to square root of 4k square. Square root of 4 value 2. Square root of k square value k. Therefore the value of AC is 2k. So this is the value 2k. Okay. Now first here 4 terms are there. Sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Okay. Sin A. Sin A. What is sin A? Sin A means what? Side opposite to A. Opposite to A by hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite A by hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite A. Opposite A value how much? Opposite A value how much? K. That is BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. So BC is K by AC is 2K. So K one time. So 1 by 2. Next. Cos A. Cos A. Side adjacent to A by hypotenuse. Adjacent A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to A, adjacent side is root 3 times k. Hypotenuse is 2k. K get cancelled. Root 3 by 2. Next. See next one. Next cos C. See this one. Cos C. Cos C means what? Side opposite to C. Sorry. Sin C. Take sin C. Sin C. Sin C means side opposite to C. That means opposite C. Opposite C by hypotenuse. Opposite C by hypotenuse is nothing but opposite to C how much? AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB value root 3 times K. AC value 2K. So K get cancelled. Root 3 by 2. Next. Cos C. Cos C means what? Adjacent to C by hypotenuse. So adjacent to C is BC. Adjacent to C is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC value how much? BC value is K. AC value 2K. So K one time. So 1 by 2. Now the first one. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. This is the first problem. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A value how much? 1 by 2 into cos C value also 1 by 2. Cos C value 1 by 2 plus cos A. Cos A value how much? Root 3 by 2. Sin C value root 3 by 2. Square root of 3 by 2. Now 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4 plus root 3 into root 3 3, 2 into 2 4. So now denominator is same. 1 plus 3, that is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 4 is 1. So the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is 1. See the second one. What is second one? Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A value how much? Cos A value is root 3 by 2. Cos C value is 1 by 2 minus sin A Sin A value is 1 by 2. Sin C value root 3 by 2. So root 3 into 1 is root 3. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 into root 3 is root 3 by 2 into 2 is 4. Root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4 get cancelled. So final answer is 0. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. And PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters and PQ equals to 5 centimeters. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, see the solution. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So angle Q is 90 degrees. This is given. So also given that PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters and PQ equals to 5 centimeters. This is given. Okay. See this triangle. In triangle PQR right angle at Q. So remaining two sides PR. Okay. So here PQ equals to 5 centimeters. Now PR plus QR equals to 25. Okay. See, let QR equals to x centimeters. Then PR plus QR equals to, actually what is given, PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters. Okay. So PR plus QR value how much? X equals to 25. So PR equals to 25 minus x. 25 minus x. Now QR value x. So this is 25 minus x. Okay. Observe that this is a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. Okay. In triangle PQR angle Q equal to 90 degrees by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that means PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. So here the value of PQ is 5. The value of QR is x. The value of PR is 25 minus x whole square. Okay. Now this is also from a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, 2ab, that equals to 5 square value 25 plus x square. Okay. Observe that here x square get cancelled. Now 25 square, right? Almost 25 square minus 225 is 50x equals to 25. Okay. 25 square value is 625. 25 square value is 625 minus 50x equals to 25. Okay. 625. 25 is transpose left side minus 25. 50 minus 50 is transpose right side plus 50x. Okay. That equals to 625 minus 25 is 600 equals to 50x. So 600, 50 transpose left side divided by 50 equals to x. Now 0 cancel, 5 12 times. Therefore x equals to 12 centimeters. Okay. Now QR, therefore QR equals to x equals to 12 centimeters. And PR equals to almost 25 minus x. So 25 minus x, that is 25 minus 12, that is 13 centimeters. So this is 12, this is 13. Okay. Now first one is sin P. What is the sin P definition? Sin P is side opposite to P. The definition of sin P is side opposite to P over hypotenuse. So side opposite to P. What is the side opposite to P? QR. Hypotenuse is PR. QR value 12. PR value 13. This is sin P. Second one is cos P. Cos P means side adjacent to P over hypotenuse. Side adjacent to P over hypotenuse. Side adjacent to P by hypotenuse. So side adjacent to P is PQ. Hypotenuse is PR. PQ value how much? PQ value 5. PR value 30. Next. Last one is tan P. Tan P means what? Side opposite to P. Side opposite to P by side adjacent to P. Side opposite to P is QR. Side adjacent to P is PQ. QR value how much? QR value 12. PQ value 5. Problem 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. So here some statements are there. See the first statement. The value of tan A is always less than 1. Is it true or false? It is exactly false. Exactly false. Because the value of tan A may be 0. That means maybe less than or equals to 1, greater than or equals to 1, equals to 1. Okay. The value of tan A less than, greater than, or equals to 1. Okay, depending on the value of A, depending on the value of A. Okay, so for example, see if A equals to 0, what is the value of tan A? So tan A equals to tan 0, that is tan 0 value 0. Okay, if A equals to 90, if A equals to take 45, so tan A value how much? So tan 45 value 1. So this is less than 0, less than 1, equals to 1. A equals to 60. So tan A equals to tan 60. Tan 60 value 1.73. This is approximate value, not exact value, which is greater than 1. Greater than 1. So less than 1, equals to 1, greater than 1. So as A approaches to, angle A approaches to 90, as angle A approaches to 90, what is the tan A value? Tan A approaches, tan 90 value how much? Infinity. Tan A approaches to infinity. So that's why the value of tan A always less than 1 is the false statement. Second one, secant A equals to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Secant A equals to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Is it true or false? So this is true. Because the value of secant A always greater than or equals to 1. The value of secant A is greater than or equals to 1. Greater than or equals to 1. So since, see, 12 by 5 equals to how much? 2.4. 12 by 5 is 2.4. Which is greater than 1? Which is greater than 1. Okay. So secant A equals to 12 by 5 is possible for some value of angle A. Third one, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. So cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A is false, because cos A is the abbreviation for cosine of angle A. Here cosecant of angle A is there. Okay, cos A is abbreviation for the cosine of angle A. cosine of angle A. But cosecant of angle A, cosecant of angle A is cosecant of angle A is abbreviation for the cosecant of angle A. So both are different. See, cos A is nothing but cosine of angle A. Cosecant A is nothing but cosecant of angle A. Both are different. So this is false statement. Fourth one, cot A is the product of cot and A. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Is false statement. Cot A is the product of cot and A is a false statement because cot A is abbreviation for the cotangent of angle A. Cotangent of angle A. It is not product of cot and A. It is not product of cot and A. Okay. It is not product of cot and A. Cot A is abbreviation for the cotangent of A. It is not product of cot and A. So that's why the above statement is false statement. And the final one, sin theta equals to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Okay. See, sin theta equals to 4 by 3 for some angle theta is false statement. False statement because the value of sin theta always lies between -1 and 1 inclusive. Maybe or -1, maybe or -1. So the value of sin theta always lies between -1 and 1 inclusive. Maybe these two values are adjusted. So that is -1 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to 1. But here sin theta equals to 4 by 3. Sin theta equals to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 value how much? 1.33 approximately. 1.33. This is the value greater than 1. Is greater than 1. So sin theta equals to 4 by 3. Sin theta equals to 4 by 3 for some value for some angle theta is not possible. That's why this is a false statement.